Here's a quick mechanics tip for jacking up a vehicle if your jack can't get it quite high enough to get it off the ground. So we got a wood block here, and we just want to get that along the pinch rail. So you can see that pinch rail there. So just in case you're not sure about what the pinch rail is, it's this here. So see how it comes down, it's, you know, got that little notch or whatever you want to call it, but that runs along the vehicle on almost every vehicle. This is a big block. It doesn't have to be this big. You can get something smaller, get a couple small blocks, but if I jack this up, I'm not going to get the wheel off the ground. I'm using this wood block as basically a spacer. So that's what you want. That's a 4x4 block, and you can get one, you know, a 6-footer from Home Depot for probably $10 or $15 and put it yourself here. So you can see this is the other one I have. I don't know what I did with my third one, but it is missing, and it was shorter, so it was about like that long. So here on back was the piece that I usually would use. So these are a little longer. I need to cut it, but I don't have any tools to cut it. So that's just a good way to get the car up when you have a jack that's not going to get it all the way up, or you have a high sitting vehicle.